As I close the show today, I want to leave you with the following affirmations. Number 1, you choose courage over comfort. Number 2, you are brave and bold in the pursuit of your very best life. Number 3, you take ownership of your life and act on your dreams. Number 4, your heart dissolves all resistance and allows you to move through fear. Number 5, you are worthy of being seen and deserve to be seen. Number 6, you are a living example of what it means to have courage. You can do this. Number 7, you are confident in your beliefs and courageous in your actions. Number 8, your comfort is temporary and your courage grows permanently. Number 9, your heart will lead you where your head will not allow you go. And number 10, you embrace your next chapter with passion and courage.